Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your OPPO Enco 3.2 to your MacBook. To do this, you'll need to go to your Bluetooth preferences, turn Bluetooth on, and from here you need to open your OPPO case. Then you will see the green light right here, and on the right side of the headphones there's this button right here. You press on it and hold it for a few seconds until the light changes to constant, to blinking softly white, and now they should be visible on your MacBook. You press connect, and you're connected. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.